XV95 Ghost Kill Battlesuit is the pinnacle of Tau stealth technology. A battlesuit created specifically for use behind enemy lines in the most grueling conditions. These mighty battlesuits loom several times the height of a fire warrior and mount a full array of repulsor jets. They are equipped with an arsenal of heavy weaponry and are supported by a reef of high technology hardware and counter-sensory warfare suites. X95 Ghost Kill battlesuits can tear apart entire armoured squadrons and massacre rank upon rank of enemy infantry in sudden ambushes. The firestorm of their onslaught is such that the foe often believes a whole army must be attacking them from an unexpected quarter. Until recently, the development and deployment of the X95 Ghost Kill battlesuit was restricted to covert missions. In truth, development of these potent battlesuits was completed around the beginning of the Third Sphere expansion, but it was decreed by the Ethereals that these new weapons should remain hidden until their unveiling held the greatest inspirational value. Pilots were chosen from pre-vetted candidates who were extracted from stealth team operations and transported to a secret facility on Jakavo Station on the fringes of the abandoned Sept of Nadras. From here, following orders from the Imperial Supreme Unvar himself, the first generation of Ghost Kill battlesuits performed a range of deep cover operations ranging from the Baden Fall Station sabotage to the assassination of Cardinal.
Build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.